landing, I guess, front tire, if you will, that I have ever seen, which is good because it means that possibly on the harder landings, it'll be forgiving, but also grass landings may actually be a possibility now in this. The other planes that I've ever flown never had something that I could actually land on grass properly without twisting something. Whoa, look at the size of the rear too. That is impressive too. So let's see. This should go together pretty easily. Let's get this out. Wow, and this metal is, I think it's probably pretty strong. I'm not going to try flexing it just in case, but it's both really, seems really strong and very light considering it's metal.
Likey